In today's video, I will walk you through how to set up shipping and delivery on Shopify. To get started, navigate to the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin page and click on Settings. This will open the Settings area where you can manage different parts of your store. Once you're inside Settings, look to the left-hand panel and select Shipping and Delivery. This section contains the shipping options and delivery settings for your store. After opening the Shipping and Delivery page, locate your shipping profile. Shopify includes a general shipping profile by default, but you may also see additional shipping profiles if you have created them previously. Click on the shipping profile you want to work with. If you only use the default setup, select the general shipping profile. Inside the shipping profile, you'll see the shipping zones associated with that profile. Find the shipping zone you want to edit and look for the three-dot icon next to it. Click the three-dot icon to open the available options. From the menu that appears, select Edit Zone. This will allow you to modify the locations included in that shipping zone. You can add countries or regions that you want to ship to, or remove locations that are no longer part of your shipping strategy. After updating the shipping zone, review the shipping rates associated with that zone. This is where you can configure how shipping charges will be applied to customer orders. Depending on your preferences, you can set the rates that you want customers to see during checkout. Continue reviewing the shipping settings for any additional zones that need adjustments. If you have multiple shipping zones, repeat the process by selecting each zone and making the necessary updates. Once you have finished editing your shipping zones and rates, take a moment to review all the changes you have made. Make sure the locations and shipping options match your intended setup. When everything looks correct, click Save to apply your changes. Saving ensures that all modifications are added to your store's shipping and delivery configuration. After the changes have been saved, your shipping profile will use the updated zones and rates you configured. Customers placing orders in the locations you selected will see the shipping options associated with those zones during checkout. And that's all there is to it. By accessing Settings, opening Shipping and Delivery, selecting a shipping profile, editing your shipping zones, adjusting your shipping rates, and saving your changes, you can successfully set up shipping and delivery on your Shopify store. Thank you for watching.